You got this message from TikTok and it says your account has been suspended. Don't panic, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a working method that you will use to appeal and get your account back fast. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can appeal for your TikTok if it has been suspended. Most creators, once they are suspended, they start creating from scratch. Watch till the end of the video, because once you are done, you will be able to appeal and restore that your old account that has been suspended by TikTok. If you are ready, take your popcorn and code cool. So let me walk you through this journey. So I recently logged into one of my TikTok account and I saw this dreaded message: your account has been suspended. And when I saw the message, I was really scared and I told myself, how will I get this account back? And the funny part of it is there was no email, there was no warning, and there was no reason. And the account gone. It sounds so crazy. If you have experienced what I have just said now, you are not alone. So we'll walk through it together, and at the end of the video, you can also implement it and your account that has been suspended will be bring back to you. Step 1, create TikTok account. To start an appeal, you actually need a second TikTok account. Go to your TikTok and sign up for a new account. It doesn't matter if you won't use it for a long term. This new account is a way to appeal process for your banned one. Once the account is created, tap the profile name at the top. You will see an option to add or switch account. Tap that. Step 2, log in with your suspended account information. Now, instead of filling details for a new account, enter the exact same information you used for the suspended one. The same name, same email or phone number, same password. When you try to log in, TikTok will pop up a message saying your account has been banned or suspended. But here is the key. Now TikTok will give you an appeal button. Step 3, submit your appeal, and it will take you to a form where you can explain the situation. Here, where you will tell TikTok why your account shouldn't have been suspended. If you are confident your video didn't break the community guideline, explain that clearly. Be polite, honest, and specific. TikTok team will actually read this. Once you have written your appeal, hit submit, and that is it. You will see appeal submitted on your screen. The bonus tip is this: an AI can also help you to write an appeal. So ChatGPT is there. You can just prompt ChatGPT to help you to write an appeal to TikTok on your account that has been suspended, and you will give ChatGPT the idea. It will write a beautiful script for you. If you know that this video has been helpful, like this video, drop your comment, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that when I post a new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.